few days ago, I heard that one of my friends in India was making thousands of dollars every month from YouTube. Curious? I visited him to see how he was doing it. I was surprised to find out he was simply creating YouTube shorts from India while targeting viewers in the USA. As soon as I got home, I started researching this strategy, and what I discovered was incredible. Want to know the secret? Let's dive in. I opened ChatGPT and asked, which country has the highest YouTube RPM? The answer was the United States, where creators can earn around $6 to $15 or even more per 1,000 views, depending on the content. Then I asked, which niche has the highest RPM? The top answer was personal finance, one of the highest paying niches on YouTube. So why wait? Let's use AI to create USA targeted personal finance videos and start building a channel that has the potential to earn thousands of dollars. Don't miss even a single minute of this process because I've added some special strategies inside this video that can help you optimize your content for USA viewers.
Okay, real talk. There are 5 money habits quietly keeping you broke. And chances are, you're doing at least one of them. Habit 1. No budget.
Alright. So to create this kind of video, the first thing we're going to need is one master prompt. A long detailed one. And don't worry, I'm giving it to you completely free just like every other prompt I share. You'll find the download link down in the video description box. Go grab it, it's all yours. Once you've got the prompt downloaded, just copy the whole thing, then head over to Claude.Ai. I'll drop that link for you too, by the way. Paste the prompt in, hit submit, and that's it. Now here's the cool part. Once you feed it this prompt, Claude is going to spit out a whole list of video ideas across every subcategory under personal finance. We are talking almost 115 topics in total, and from that list, I'm picking topic number 3 to work on today. And for every single scene, it's going to give us 3 things. The image generation prompt to create the visuals, the animate prompt to bring those images to life, and the voiceover prompt to go on top. All of it, part by part, ready to copy and paste. But wait, here's the really special part. This isn't just any prompt. Along with all of that, Claude is also going to hand us a complete USA targeted publish-ready YouTube package. We're talking the full deal, video title, description, tags, the works, and get this, it even tells you the best time to upload the video so that people in the USA actually see it. Like everything is dialed in for the US audience. You literally just copy, paste, and hit publish. All the prompts are now ready. Now, we'll use each image generation prompt to create every scene one by one. The best part is that we can generate all these images completely free. Now I'll copy the image generation prompt for the first scene and open Google Flow. We'll use Google Flow to generate all our images because it lets us create unlimited images for free. Once you're in Google Flow, paste the copied prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose the Nano Banana 2 image model and click Submit. Google Flow will then start generating the first scene image. Now, let's go back to Minimax and copy the image prompt for the second scene. Now jump over to Google Flow. On the image we already generated, hit the 3-dot menu and click Add to Prompt. Paste the new prompt in there and hit Submit. Quick tip. Keeping that previous image attached in the prompt is what locks in our character consistency. So don't skip that step. Now just rinse and repeat. One scene at a time, take each image prompt, generate the visuals, move to the next. Once all the images are done, we move on to the next step of the workflow. Now it's time to animate all the generated images, and we'll use Google Flow for that as well. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day for each account. Animating one clip usually takes around 10 to 15 credits, so a full video may need about 100 credits. By using 2 Gmail accounts, you'll have around 100 free credits, which is enough to complete the entire video without spending any money. Now, go back to Minimax and copy the animation prompt for the first scene, then return to Google Flow, click the 3-dot menu on the first image and select Animate. Before submitting, check the clip duration in Minimax. My first scene is 8 seconds, so I'll set the duration to 8 seconds in Google Flow. Then paste the animation prompt and click Submit. Google Flow will start converting the image into an 8-second animated video.
Okay, real talk. There are 5 money habits quietly keeping you broke. And chances are, you're doing at least one of them.
Alright, moving on. Follow the same process for every image, convert them one by one into video clips. Now, when you're setting the clip duration, just match it to whatever duration is mentioned in the prompt. Don't eyeball it, just go with what it says. And one more thing, for the best possible result, make sure you're using the Omni Flash model. Trust me on this one, it makes a huge difference in quality. Anything else and you're just leaving views on the table. Okay, so once all your clips are converted, next step, go ahead and download each one at a time in 720p. Don't skip the resolution, just stick with 720p, it's the sweet spot. After every clip is downloaded, we're gonna stitch them all together into one complete video. All our video clips have been downloaded successfully. Now let's import them into CapCut, combine all the clips into one complete video, and export the final result. Now we're moving into CapCut, open it up, hit Create Project, and start a fresh one. Once you're in, click Import and bring in all your clips. Now go through each clip and trim it down. Cut out anything you don't need, keep it tight. After the trimming is done, let's make this video actually look good. I'm adding subtitles to it. To do that, head up to the top menu, click on Text, then hit Auto Caption. Select English, hit Generate, and CapCut is going to auto-generate the subtitles for you. Quick heads up. This is a CapCut Pro feature. If you're on the free version, you can always add the captions manually, no big deal. Once the captions are in, to make everything pop a little more, I'm dropping in a template to give it that polished look. After that, just play it back, watch it through, check if everything feels right. If it does, hit export and we're done. Our video is officially complete. Now comes the most important part, uploading it to YouTube the right way so it gets recommended to USA viewers. The main reason we're targeting USA viewers is because videos in many finance-related niches often have the potential to earn higher RPMs than in many other regions. That means the same number of views can sometimes generate more revenue. So, by optimizing our video for a US audience and consistently creating valuable content for them, we can increase our chances of earning more from YouTube over time. First, visit youtube.com, then click the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Video. If you haven't created a YouTube channel yet, don't worry, I'll show you how to do that first. Since I don't have a channel on this account, I'll start by setting a professional profile picture. After that, I'll choose a channel name and create a unique username. Many people think that creating a YouTube channel and uploading videos with a VPN will automatically help them reach USA viewers. But that's simply not true. YouTube doesn't target viewers based on your VPN. It recommends videos based on your content and audience signals. Great. Our channel is now ready. Now click on your profile picture in the top right corner and open YouTube Studio. Click Upload Videos, then select Files and choose the video you want to upload. While the video is uploading, let's go back to Minimax and copy the video title. I've already generated 3 title options, so I'll simply choose my favorite and paste it into YouTube. Next, copy the description from Minimax and paste it into the description box. Make sure you copy the full description, including all the tags and hashtags. After that, create a new playlist called Personal Finance and add the video to that playlist. For the audience setting, select No, it's not made for kids, then click Show More and copy all the tags from Minimax. If the total exceeds 500 characters, simply remove a few tags until you are within the limit. Next, set the video language to English. You can also set the video location to United States if you want, but this step is optional. Finally, choose the education category. That's it. Everything is now set up. Click Publish, and your video is officially live on YouTube. Our video is now successfully published. But don't just stop here and wait. Keep creating more videos using the same process. Try to upload 3 shorts every day consistently. With regular uploads, there is a good chance that one of your videos can perform very well. And when you build momentum with multiple successful videos and meet YouTube's monetization requirements, you can start earning from your channel. The journey becomes much easier when you stay consistent, focused, and keep improving your content.